According to several media sites, the 2024 Chevy Malibu is said to be the final model of its current generation, which was introduced in 2016 as the 9th generation of the Chevrolet Malibu. However, there are conflicting reports regarding its discontinuation after 2024. Despite this uncertainty, its sales and popularity reports from 2022 indicate a strong demand, with over 115,467 units sold in the United States alone. Considering this, it seems unlikely that Chevrolet would discontinue the model after 2024. The Chevrolet Malibu is regarded as one of the most popular sedans, ranking 7th among competitors such as the Honda Accord, Hyundai Sonata, Toyota Camry, and Nissan Altima. Given the highly competitive nature of the sedan segment, securing the 7th position is quite significant. The current generation of the Chevrolet Malibu was launched in 2015 as the 9th generation, following the debut of the first generation Malibu in 1964, which lasted until 1967. Since then, the Malibu has undergone several redesigns, culminating in the 9th generation model introduced in 2015. Despite its long history, the Malibu continues to thrive in the American automobile market, and it received a refresh in 2018 for the mid-2019 model year cycle. The upcoming Chevrolet Malibu, expected for the 2024 model year, may retain the same interior and exterior as the 2023 model. The 2023 Malibu received positive feedback for its interior design and pricing, though it may require a redesign to address its outdated appearance, particularly the small touchscreen display. Despite this drawback, the overall interior of the Chevy Malibu is considered good, featuring an 8-inch diagonal touchscreen and an 8-inch driver information display located behind the wheel. The front cabin provides ample legroom and headroom, along with 2 cup holders on the front armrests. It appears that the rear seats also have armrests. Although legroom might be limited for adults, it should be adequate for children. Additionally, the Malibu offers sufficient luggage space. Considering these aspects, the interior of the 2024 Chevy Malibu is expected to be among the best in its class.